So you want to stock your pantry to cook Chinese food. These are the sauces that will help you do that. You'll need Hoisin Sauce, Soy Sauce, Oyster Sauce, Shaoxing cooking wine, Sesame Oil, and chili oil. Let's start with Hoisin Sauce. This sauce you'll use for making mushu dishes. You'll use it for Hunan dishes. It's a little bit sweet. It is a fermented wheat flour, and this will add a nice sweet and savory flavor to your dishes. And soy sauce. This is my favorite brand. It's Kikkoman. It is a Japanese brand originally, but it is brewed in America, in Wisconsin, for over 50 years. This adds a nice savory note to your dishes, adds some saltiness, and adds some caramel color. This is oyster sauce, and oyster sauce adds a richness to your dishes, your stir fries. If you think of the flavor of beef broccoli, this is that flavor. Panda brand, Lee Kum Kee is our favorite all-around brand for oyster sauce. Shaoxing cooking wine. This is important to add that little bit of wine roundness to any of your stir-fry dishes. Shaoxing cooking wine, if you can't find it, you can find a sherry that will work just as well for any of your dishes. Sesame oil. Sesame oil, it usually is sold in small bottles because you use a very little bit at the end of your stir-fry cooking. You want it to heat just a little bit so that as the dish goes in front of your guests, that aroma comes right up at you. And chili paste, or chilies in oil. You'll use a little bit of this to spice up any stir-fry dish that you like. This is the hottest brand out there, Lao Gan Ma, and they have a good product. And with these few sauces, once you stock your pantry with them, you'll be ready to cook most Chinese dishes. These are the brands that I like the best, and if you watch my videos, you'll see these brands show up over and over and over again. Comment down below and let me know what you've cooked with these sauces.